someone requested that I try putting up the A-liner using the wind assist pulls. I call them wind assist pulls. And it's easier with two people, but I'm going to try it by myself. I've done it by myself before. The only thing is it takes a long time, so this is not a speed test. That smushy noise you just heard was the sound of the new open cell insulation that I installed on top of these triangle walls. I got this from A-liner. I was going to use it for something else. Can't remember what that was now. Anyway, I will show you a close-up, but it's not quite as big as the open cell insulation that goes on the A walls. And it has really good adhesive backings. It seems like it's really sticking on there. I just wish it wasn't quite as tall. It really makes a lot of noise. It's maybe a little bit too thick. And it does get smashed as you push it up there. But this is to combat all the drafts we were getting on tops of these dormer walls. So I'm very hopeful. It looks like that's really going to do the trick. Here's a close-up of that foam that we were given by A-liner. You can see it's around 3/4 of an inch tall, and it has peel-off adhesive backing, which is really easy to apply. Now, why am I using open cell foam as opposed to closed cell foam? Well, I believe that the open cell foam, even though it lets air through in some ways, it recovers. It doesn't smash down over time. I think that's what you need when it's being compressed over and over and over again. So that's it. You basically use the pole to push up on that roof section while you're pushing with your other arm on the other roof section.